Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see about the dynamic effect on your Vivo phones and how to turn on the dynamic effect on your Vivo phones. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. To turn on the dynamic effect setting in Vivo phones or Fun Touch OS phone, you just do this. Just swipe down and just go inside the setting option first. And here just swipe down and you will see an option called dynamic effect. Click this. So after clicking this, you just first of all enhance dynamic effect. You can just turn it on. And ambient light effect. Here in ambient light effect, you can see the notification light effect can be customized by using this option. And the next option is about fingerprint icon animation. You can just change it, or you can just change the facial recognition animation and fingerprint recognition animation, charging animation like this, and USB insert animation, and also screen on off animation. These are the dynamic effects. You can just select everything into the different level if you just need it on your Vivo phones. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.